So, you found a strange, shiny rock. Let's play detective and see if it's actually a rough diamond.
We're going to treat your unpolished find exactly like a prime suspect in a high-stakes investigation.
Now, real rough diamonds rarely look like sparkling jewelry. They're usually cloudy, irregularly shaped, and pretty rough-looking.
Here's the golden rule, guys. No single home test is absolute proof. We gotta gather multiple clues.
Let's start with a super easy one, the breath test. Just breathe on it like you're fogging a mirror. Diamonds transfer heat incredibly fast, clearing the fog instantly. But watch out, because dirt or humidity easily sabotages this.
Next up, check the shape. That extreme underground pressure often creates very distinctive, 8-sided octahedral crystals.
Let's hit it with UV light. Some diamonds actually glow a bright blue, though definitely not all of them do.
Using a tester, sneaky lookalikes like moissanite fool thermal ones. You absolutely have to check electrical conductivity too.
Okay, what about scratching it? A diamond ranks a perfect 10 on the Mohs scale, literally nature's hardest mineral.
But hold on, scratching glass is actually a terrible clue. Plenty of common, everyday minerals can do that.
Please avoid the destructive booby traps. A heavy hammer strike can cleave a real diamond, and heat will shatter it.
So don't destroy your suspect. It might be the real deal, or just one of these incredibly common lookalikes.
All right, putting it all together, just follow this step-by-step, totally safe detective protocol to examine your suspected stone.
If your at-home clues look promising, the final step is handing your evidence over to the real pros.
A gem lab uses advanced equipment like spectroscopic analysis to give you the only truly reliable identification.
So, the real mystery remains. Will your next discovery be a priceless rough diamond, or just a clever imposter?